I bet you didn't know that alligators have their own natural freezers. Yep, it's true. Alligators are not just masters of stealth and strength, but also clever food strategists. They practice something called gator caching. Here's how it works. When an alligator catches big prey, like a deer or fish, and can't finish it in one go, it stashes it underwater or under logs. Think of it as a prehistoric fridge. The water helps keep the food fresh and masks the smell from other predators. It's like Mother Nature's way of preserving leftovers. So next time you spot an alligator lounging by the water, remember, it might just be guarding its secret stash. Stay curious, nature lovers.